Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing your data, so backup photos, messages, and settings. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if an app causes flicker. Next, open Settings and check System Software Update and update Play Store apps. Updates often patch driver or compositor bugs. Make sure to note whether flicker appears on lock screen, app UI, or home screen, because that distinction guides the next hardware versus software decisions. Once in safe mode and after updates, you methodically remove suspects. Uninstall recent apps or disable them one at a time and observe results. This isolates misbehaving packages. Then clear caches for system UI and display services via Settings. Apps show system storage clear cache. Next, adjust display settings. Set brightness manually, disable adaptive brightness, and choose a stable refresh rate. These steps fix. If software steps fail, check hardware. Connect to an external monitor or cast to see if the GPU renders correctly. If external output is fine, the panel or connector is likely bad. Inspect the screen for physical damage and check connectors if you can safely open the device, otherwise consult a technician. If you reach a factory reset, back up everything first, and if flicker persists after reset, that clean boot is a clear sign you need repair or component replacement. Tip: rule out chargers and cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.